once again. It's Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Today we're on another adventure here. We're in Strasburg, Pennsylvania once again, and we're going to take a ride on the Strasburg Railroad. I have my parents along with me for this adventure, so join us as we adventure here at the Strasburg Railroad. Well folks, we're a half hour early to when they actually open up. They don't open up here till 10 a.m. Now Strasburg's located near Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This is a neat little train conversion ride, about 45 minutes. As you can see, the train's there in the distance. Last time we was here for Thomas the Train Day, if you remember that video, me and my son went in that toy train store right there. We'll be going into some different stores today. There's a general store there, souvenirs and gifts. We'll take a look at that. And there's a little restaurant up here you can get a bite to eat. We might get some breakfast before we go on the train. It is 9:30 in the morning, and me and my parents haven't got anything to eat yet, and we're just looking at getting a bite to eat before we board the train at 11. So follow us on this adventure, and we'll go get our tickets verified. I had to do that online. Get these verified, and then we'll take a look around when they open. So folks, we're getting ready to couple up here, and I wanted to get this on film so you can see the train coming here to couple up. Old North Fork and Western steam locomotive. So we're getting ready to board here. So join us on this adventure as we take our 45-minute train conversion and enjoy the views. Well folks, we're on our way, and we're on the train, and I have my mom and dad sitting right in front of us. Can you say hello?
Hi.
And we're off on this conversion. So sit back and enjoy the video. these conversions have been going on, the conductor told me, since 1843. So this actual railroad has been running train conversions since then. So they've been in business over a couple hundred years. Got the conductor checking tickets now. Along the way, you'll see some Amish farms. This is for me and my parents here. Take some views of the countryside and Amish country here near Strasburg. We're in the Lancaster Paradise, Pennsylvania area. Off in the distance, you can see an Amish farm right over there. Up here on the left, we have the Red Caboose Motel, and we're going to do another video soon on the review of this place, and we're going to try the restaurant here, the Red Caboose Motel. It's called Casey Jones, and they have buggy rides here also. So that'll be another video, but that's where we'll be going to have our lunch today. And then they got the buggies right over here that they give the rides.
Going for a photo today. Alright, how you doing today? Good. Alright, you ready to see 611 down here in Paradise? Is that where it is? That's where it is. I guess you're going to cabbage burgers and stuff today. Okay. So we'll be passing it. Awesome. Alright.
Beautiful country up here in Pennsylvania.
I look right at the flash. I hate it when I do that.
The problem is that if you use the flash, that light will overshadow. You usually do all real dark. And you can do that back in the photo stand. Thank you.
I don't get to see my baby
This might be one of the farms, working farms that they actually do the tours on with the Amish buggy ride, because we're going to be going on a buggy ride today to an actual working Amish farm where you get to tour the farm, and that's going to be on another video. I will probably put that out next week or the week after, and along with the other video of the review on the Casey Jones restaurant that we will be eating lunch at. Folks, I hope you're enjoying this vlog, and stay with us as we continue. And I'm going to turn the camera off for now. This is a 45-minute train conversion. I just wanted you to get a little view of what we're seeing on the Amish countryside, and if I see anything else interesting along the way, I'll turn the camera back on. So stay with me and then sit back and enjoy this vlog. Here we got another little attraction. I'm not sure what this is. We got farm animals and stuff. It's called Courtyard. It's an adventure farm, which is another attraction I might have to check out with my kids on another vlog. A lot of cornfields this way. folks that like the country and the farm area, this would be a good place to live because there's a lot of farms and countryside all open. Coming up on another crossing, they'll be blowing the horn again. Coming to a stop here. I don't know the reason. I know they there's some people filming down. I think they were doing it for the echo effect there. And we're moving again. Norfolk and Western, the other train here. Guess we'll be hooking up to that and they'll pull us back. So we'll be going on to the other track here, switching tracks, and then we'll hook up to the other engine that will pull us back. So the other train just unhooked that was pulling us. And I believe what's happening is this train, the engine will actually go down on the other side of us and pull us back and hook up on the other side. So it did switch tracks. Now it'll go down to the opposite side of the train and pull us backwards. So eventually we'll be going backwards to the train station. It takes you on a conversion. It takes you like 20 minutes down the track, and then it pulls you back 20 minutes. It's like a 45-minute train ride. Got the conductor walking here to... He'll be going down to help the train hook to the back side. Well, folks, now we're headed back to the train station the opposite direction. But I did want to point out, since we're going back the opposite direction, I found out that these chairs here reverse, so you can sit each direction as you go. Pretty neat invention. So that way you don't have to ride backwards when you're headed back. So the whole 45-minute train conversion ride with me and my parents was approximately $18 a piece, which isn't a bad price. That's for adult admission. Kids, it's lower. I'm not sure how much more, but it's not a bad price to get out with your family and enjoy the train ride. Pretty countryside, like I said. And like I said, now we're heading back to the main train station where we started from. So once we get back at the train station, I'll see you then. So we're back at the train station. We just got off the train. I'm gonna have my parents wait down here where my mom's getting off, so I'll pull my car up and get those, and she won't have to walk so far. So before I leave, I wanted to go in the general store here and have a look around. So let's go inside and see what they have to offer. Thank you, sir.
Good job.
You want water?
We got a lot of souvenirs and train items, so I wanted to take a look. They have some train sets you can buy. And some toys, puzzles. $13 for a puzzle. That isn't bad. $17 for that one. Might have to get one of those and turn it into a picture.
Big difference between foreign stockmen and beef. Hey yo.
Did we already have poppers?
Train tracks.
No.
Some postcards.
Where? I always got pictures of those. Happy.
Keep it. You want to get a poster? You want to get a poster and put it on the wall? Yeah. You want to?
We're not gonna say anything now.
So let's see if they got
You don't want to get one of these and put it on your
one
wall?
for Jimmy.
Look at it and be happy? Okay. Just look at the plain wall then. Team it. You want to get a football? You can get a football.
None for Jimmy.
And enjoy. Put it back where you found it. You want to buy it?
Some magnets, refrigerator magnets. Christmas ornaments. They also sell t-shirts. So next time I'm up here, I might get one of those puzzles put together. Sorry. So that does it for today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog today of our adventure on the Strasburg Railroad. If you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave your comments, suggestions of the things you'd like to see in the future. Please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you liked the video. Also hit the notification bell up in the right hand corner to let you know when I download more videos. Until then, go out and have your own adventures and enjoy life. And again, I'm Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.